I've got these cut out, plain back, sanded, and now it's time for the glue. Alright, just taking a little peek at how this piece is going to turn out. You'll see coming up here that I snatched my hand away, and that's because those chips coming off that dried piece of wood there was hot. So here in just a minute or two I had to break down and put on a nice tight fitting glove. Couldn't take that heat, it was burning me. Well, I know it's not good practice to wear a glove with anything that goes twirly twirl or roundy round. But those chips, those shavings was really hot. Okay, so we have hollowed the bowl out, shaped the bowl, got it to where I want it, sanded. I sanded from 80 grit up to 600 grit. I tell you that sanding the walnut was really difficult compared to the Marblewood. I guess it's just a lot of end grain, so I really had to sand. And also, it was funny because the walnut was more difficult to sand than the Marblewood, but the Marblewood was more difficult to turn than the walnut. So, anyway, that's the way it goes with different species of wood. Alright, I'm about to put the finish on it, and then after I do the finish, I will flip it around, put it in my cold jaws, and then turn that bottom off and brand it, and we'll be done. So, hang on. Okay, now I'm going to put on some sanding sealer, and I'm going to let that set for a few minutes. Then I will come back and sand it off the raised grain with about 600 grit sandpaper. Okay, just going to lightly sand here with 600 grit just to knock off any raised grain from the sanding sealer. I'm so excited today to... Oh, there's a lizard over there. Where you going? Where you going? Having this channel is a lot of fun, and one of the things that I love the very most is when I get some stickers from other makers. Anyway, I'm so excited to share with you today some stickers that I received. And let's just go to the board. All right, so I've shared with you before Louis up in New Jersey, but he has renamed his channel to Spindles Workshop. There's his sticker. Also, I have PF Woodturning. That's Peggy up in Maine. Fantastic maker. I really enjoy her videos. And Tanya Becher. She's a very creative lady and just does beautiful work. Also, Kim Tippin down in Florida. I really love her videos as well. And then David Adamsen. He's another maker, a wood turner, and I really like this guy's work. He does amazing jobs. But really and truly, every one of these guys that I have on this board are my favorites, and they do fantastic work. So I will be leaving a link to their channels in the description below. So when you get a chance, go down there and check them out. Well, hey guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I really enjoyed this piece, the Marblewood and walnut piece. It just turned out beautiful. Man, this is like a work of art. The Marblewood with the grain, isn't that fabulous? Just look at that, it's beautiful. And then the walnut really does contrast nicely and complement the Marblewood. They just a beautiful combination. And then you probably remember when before I glued the walnut piece to the top of this bowl, I took my hole saw, my 4-inch hole saw, and cut out the center section, and that gave me a foot. And man, that foot just looks really cool, doesn't it? Anyway, what a beautiful piece. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that. Give me that big old thumbs up that you liked my project. And also, leave me a comment below. Man, I love the comments. You just don't know, that really is one of my favorite things. I love getting the comments. So, leave me one. Also, if you don't mind sharing my channel with somebody, I would really appreciate that. All these things help my channel grow, and you just don't know how much I would appreciate that. So, until next time, guys, see you later.